Real estate's a contact sport. If you can't get 12 buyers from 96 opportunities, well, then you need to find something else to do. I've done open houses since I started. If I'm in Rhode Island or I am located here and I'm not away for whatever reason, I am doing 2 open houses per week, and my staff knows there's no negotiation about that. So I say, okay, if you do 2 open houses every single week, that's 2 opportunities per week. You do that times 4 weeks, that's 8 times. You do that times 12 months, that's 96 opportunities. If you can't get 12 buyers from 96 opportunities, right, which would be 12% of your open houses that you're at, that you can have buyers come in and they say they want to work with you, well, then you need to find something else to do. And I think that's the reality, is it's more opportunities to meet more people. Real estate's a contact sport. The more people you know, the more people you get in front of, the better everything goes. So I just try to get in front of as many people as I can. I mean, at the end of the day, I do them because it's important for the client that they get max exposure. Second of all, I try to put myself on a rotating schedule, so I am at the open house so I can give them accurate feedback, what I'm seeing as far as activity, what people are complaining about, what they like, what they don't like, and that sort of stuff. And I think at the end of the day, it's a great way for me to get business in the local areas. Other people that want to sell their house, it's kind of like a stage for me to show who I am and what I do. And then more importantly, as buyers come in, it's a way for me to help buyers find them something that might work for them.